Okay, let's see how long it takes for Winston to come out once he hears his favourite squeaky toy. Okay. Oh, is he coming? There he is. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he's coming. Oh, he wants it. He wants his squeaky toy. Hey, Winnie, do you want your squeakies? Do you want the squeakies? Oh, he's gonna get it. Oh, he loves his squeaky toys. He loves his squeaky toys. He's gonna be deafening his dad all night. He's gonna be deafening it. He's a good boy. He loves his squeaky toy. Hey, grab it back. Grab it back. Ah, got it back. Winnie spin. Winnie down. Winnie catch. Good boy. Nearly caught it. Oh, he's a good boy. He loves his squeaky. And he was the best ring bearer, so he's earned it. He's earned it because he is a good boy. We love him.